3, 2, 1. Bienvenidos a Español con Dennis. Welcome again to Spanish with Dennis, guys. And do you remember what we did in the first video of this lesson? Spanish vocabulary for beginners, basic vocabulary everyday life. Do you remember we did some words in Spanish, and today is the second part, 20 Spanish words for everyday life, maybe like beginner, maybe basic vocabulary, like how you want to call it. But anyway, this is a very good video for building your vocabulary in Spanish. So first, let's do a recap of what we did in the last video, or you can watch the video. It's in the left, in the right, or in the description of this video, the first part with the basic vocabulary, because this is lesson number 2. What we did there. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo. Buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Encantado de conocerte. Disculpe, lo siento, sí, no, gracias, bien, mal, adiós, hasta luego, por favor, buen provecho, no entiendo. A lot of words, guys, in the first video. So now 20 new words for you. If you are learning Spanish, you are a beginner, maybe you want a basic vocabulary, like how to start with the basic phrases, words in Spanish that we use every day. I'm ready, you are ready. So the first word of today is number 1 is muchas gracias. Muchas gracias is thank you very much. In the last video, gracias. Today, muchas gracias. Thank you very much. And it's very useful. You need to use it every day. Like you already know, gracias. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Going on, number 2 today is nos vemos, nos vemos. This one I use it always on my videos, guys. Nos vemos is like see you, like see you later, maybe like see you, nos vemos, nos vemos. Listen at the end of the video when I use it. Often I say nos vemos. Number 3 is de nada, de nada. De nada is very useful because it's you are welcome. You are welcome, de nada. Ah, Dennis, gracias por tus videos, son muy útiles. Ah, you are welcome, de nada. Going on to the number 4 is me gusta. Yes, guys, you need to know that I like it, me gusta. We use it often. Ah, me gusta este video, es muy útil. Me gusta. Number 5, 5 is ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Do you remember that in the first video we did ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal is synonym? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Hola, ¿qué tal? How are you? And number 6 is something that we use often. It is ¿cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? I think a lot of people ask you in Spanish maybe, how old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Guys, I will not say my age because I have 100 years old. Yes, guys, I'm a vampire maybe. So, going on to the next one. Muy bien, muy bien. Muy bien is often used also, guys, a lot. We learned in the other video, bien. And today, muy bien. Muy bien is very good. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Muy bien. Very good. And the next one is muy mal. It's the antonym. Muy bien, muy mal. Very good, very bad. So, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Muy mal, like bad. Okay, got it. The next one also, I like it. Excelente. Excelente means excellent, like in English. Excelente, excellent. Hola, ¿cómo estás, Dennis? Excelente. And now you know it. The next one is mucho gusto, mucho gusto. Mucho gusto is nice to meet you also, guys. Remember in the first video, encantado de conocerte, and today you know another way. Mucho gusto, mucho gusto. In fact, this one I use this one more often than the first one. Mucho gusto. So now you know it. And then más o menos. This one I like also. Más o menos means more or less. So, 50-50. Like you speak in English. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Qué tal? Más o menos. So, got it. Hoy. Hoy means today. Today. ¿Qué día es hoy? Today is Friday. Hoy es viernes. Got it. And we have the next one. If hoy is today, we have yesterday. Yesterday is ayer. Ayer. ¿Qué hiciste ayer? Ayer yo comí pizza. I'm sorry, guys, but I love pizza, so I need to give example with pizza. ayer, 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 yesterday. And if we have ayer and hoy, we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is mañana, mañana, mañana. Ayer, hoy y mañana. Tomorrow. ¿Qué harás mañana? What will you do tomorrow? Mañana yo voy a estudiar español. Got it, guys. Going on. And the next one is also connected with the word mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana means until tomorrow, like see you tomorrow, until tomorrow. When you say goodbye to someone and then adios, hasta mañana, like see you tomorrow, until tomorrow. Yeah? So you got it now. And then we have another one that we use very often. ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Guy, people ask you, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde tú eres? Where are you from? Got it, guys. Interesting construction, yeah, because first we have ¿de dónde eres? And now soy de. Soy de is the answer of ¿de dónde eres? For example, ¿de dónde eres? Yo soy de República Dominicana. I am from Dominican Republic. Soy de, yo soy de. And then you add the country. Yo soy de Estados Unidos. Yo soy de Canadá. Yo soy de Australia. Yo soy de Dominicana. Got it, guys. And then we have another one that in the first video we did ¿Cómo te llamas? But today we do ¿Cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Is other way to ask you what's your name. Someone can ask you ¿Cómo te llamas? O ¿cuál es tu nombre? Mi nombre es Dennis. Me llamo Dennis. So moving on to the next one. ¿Cuál es tu edad? ¿Cuál es tu edad? Is another way to ask someone how old are you? So edad is age. But in this case, like, how old are you? Can be translated in the context, yeah? ¿Cuál es tu edad? I have 100 years old. For example, tengo 100 años. ¿Cuál es tu edad? And the last one today is one that I use in every video in the beginning when I say welcome to Spanish with Dennis. I say bienvenidos a Español con Dennis. Bienvenidos, welcome, welcome. Yes, guys. So today, you know 20 new words in Spanish, that everyday life that we use it, or phrases or words in Spanish that can be very useful for you. So let's do a little recap of what we did today. Muchas gracias, nos vemos, de nada, me gusta, ¿qué tal? ¿Cuántos años tienes? Muy bien, muy mal, excelente, mucho gusto, más o menos, hoy, ayer, mañana, hasta mañana, ¿de dónde eres? Soy de, ¿cuál es tu nombre? ¿Cuál es tu edad? Bienvenido. So guys, now you know 20 and 20, you know 40 words of everyday life Spanish basic vocabulary, and all those 40 are very useful because we use it, believe me, every day or almost every day. Yeah, 99%. So guys, this video was useful for you. Do you like this kind of videos, lesson that can teach you basic words in Spanish with examples and you can learn new vocabulary? If you like, let me know on the comments down below. What do you think? If you like, if you don't like, or if you want more videos like this. And remember to like if you like this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel. I will be very happy if you can subscribe to my channel, because that is supporting me, this project and this channel, and also my podcast, all connected, guys, with Spanish with Dennis. And if you want to watch the first video when we did the lesson with the first 20 words in Spanish, it's here or in the description of the video. And also you can watch different videos about what is the difference between ser and estar, and the difference between saber y conocer, or how to say in Spanish so, of course, cool. Yeah, guys, a lot of videos already on this channel that you can watch, so it will be useful for you to learn this beautiful language. Hasta luego. And see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta la vista. Hasta luego. Adiós. Hasta mañana. You know a lot of words now. Adiós. Hasta luego. Nos vemos. Chicos y chicas, gracias. Adiós. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos.